Hi everyone, welcome back to Candy Coffee here with Delonghi Magnifica, and this machine was brought in for a couple of reasons. Let's see, it's displaying an error message, place empty cup, and we couldn't get the machine to display that error for us, but we did notice a leak where the pump was, or the valve that comes after the pump and then lets water flow to either the brew assembly or to the thermal block for the steam valve and the hot water. And the pump was noisy and loud, so we replaced the valve and the pump, and the customer also requested a tune-up, so we replaced the brew unit inside. We used new gaskets, lubricate the shaft and the moving parts of the machine, and also descale. And here it is once again. So let's test it. Well, it's working. Everything sounds pretty smooth, no knocking sounds or struggling sounds. And the pump is in the appropriate volume as well. Before it was much louder. And here we are. Looking good. Alright, there you have it. Delonghi Magnifica working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Candy Coffee. Please like our videos, and if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.